My name is Samkit. I am working with Inner Engineering Products and Systems Private Limited as a regional sales manager for West India territory. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We, Inner Engineering Products and Systems Private Limited, are mainly deal into thermal, acoustic and fire insulation products. So majorly as per our Prime Minister goal is to make India net zero by 2030. So we play a very important role as an insulation product supplier. So basically our main important work of insulation material is to minimize the energy loss, to reduce the carbon footprint, and basically this product used for chill water system, hot water piping, where you have substance going inside the piping or maybe duct which has the lower temperature than the ambient temperature or higher temperature than the ambient temperature. So heat always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. So to minimize the heat loss, insulation product is mainly used for industry products. Inner Engineering is actually 3 decades old organization, and the company has started in 1940. Since that we are serving insulation material to our all clients.